Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do the formula of plus 7 of mixed complements, okay? So, let's start. We will do the B row in the class and A row is your homework. Now, where am I going to apply this formula? Where I won't have enough bits to do plus 7, okay? But ma'am, we have done this formula in Big Friends. Why are we doing it again? The way we applied this formula in Big Friends is different. The way we will apply this formula here is different. Let's start with the B row. First question, add 2, add 5. Now add 7. This is the different way I was talking about. How will I do add 7 here now? My formula for plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Now further I will apply the formula of minus 3, that is minus 5 plus 2. What am I doing? I am applying the formulas in formulas. First, I didn't have enough beats to do plus 7, so I applied its formula. In the formula of plus 7, I didn't have enough beats to do minus 3. Then I further applied the formula of minus 3. Okay, now minus 3 because it's in the question. My answer is 11. Next, plus 4 plus 3. Do I have enough beats to do plus 3? No. So my formula for plus 3 is plus 5 minus 2. Now plus 7. Do I have enough beats to do 7? No. So my formula is plus 10 minus 3. No beats to do minus 3. So for further formula of minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. Now plus 1. No beats to do 1. So formula of 1 is plus 5 minus 4. My answer is 15. Next question, guys. 6 plus 1 plus 7. Do I have enough beats to do 7? No. So, my formula for 7 is plus 10 minus 3. No beats to do minus 3. So, formula of minus 3, minus 5 plus 2. This is a complete 7 that is done right now. Now, it's minus 2. It's in the question. So, my answer is 12. Okay. Next. Eight minus 3 plus 2 plus 7. Do I have enough beats to do plus 7? No. So what will I do? I'll apply the formula of 7. That is plus 10 minus 3. Do I have beats to do minus 3? No. The formula of minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. So my answer is 14. Okay. We are applying formulas and formulas. Next question. Plus 6 plus 7. Do I have beats to do 7? No. So formula for 7 is plus 10 minus 3. I don't have beats to do minus 3 here because we are doing the formula of 7. In 7's formula, there is plus 10 minus 3. But here I don't have beats to do minus 3 for the 7. So my formula for minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. Then there is other plus 3 in the question. So we will do that. Plus 5 minus 2 because no beats for that 3 also. Now again plus 7. So formula of 7 again we'll apply plus 10 minus 3. No beats to do minus 3 again. So formula of minus 3 minus 5 plus 2. My answer is 23. Okay. I hope it's clear guys. Okay. Now do the A row in homework. I'll see you in the next class now. And drop the answers of the homework in comments. Bye bye.